All right, guys, I know I don't look like a lumberjack today, but just go with me on it. I'm checking out this porta wrap and Whoopie Sling. Whoopie! These things go together like peas and carrots. You got to have one of these to use one of these. Check this one out first. This is a medium-sized one, up to 5/8 inch rope. The welds look pretty decent on it. Everything's where it's supposed to be. Look at the inner weld there. So we'll try that out with this Whoopie Sling. Of course, a Whoopie Sling is resizable. This one goes from 3 to 5 foot diameters. So I'm kind of just pinching right here where these ropes go through each other to resize the other end. And I'm just doing the opposite on this side, just barely pinching to resize this loop. Of course, this loop is static. This is the side that isn't resizable. So this is the static loop. So we've got our 2 posts over here, our single post here, a longer side and a shorter side. This side's for controlling your rope. This side's for the sling to go through. So we're going to put the sling through there. And then we're just going to go right over the top of this whole thing. So now we have our initial sling done. Now we can wrap around the tree with this guy and secure off to this porta wrap. So let's go do that. All right, so let's rig around this tree. It's not too big around. So we've already got a porta wrap attached here. And now we're just going to throw a Whoopie Sling around the tree. So we'll start at the full length here and just throw it around the tree. And we're just going to feed the porta wrap right through the sling there, and that's about all there is to it. Tighten it up on the tree, and there you go. You're ready to rig off to this thing. Now this is a little long here. We can shorten that up. We just grab the little tip here and just squeeze gently while pulling on the tail, which will shorten up our hoop. Kind of hard to do while the weight of the porta wrap's pulling on it. There we go. We'll shorten it up a bit. Try throwing it around again. Make sure your dog's here to help you. There we go. Way tighter around the tree now. So you just make that hoop shorter by pulling the rope through the hollow core of the rope, I guess. And now you're ready to rig off. So that's how we're supposed to look right there.